Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, I'm gonna start with the DXY. Today I wasn't able to be looking at the charts. Well, in the morning, yes, but not in the afternoon because I had my company's Christmas lunch, so I wasn't able to look at the charts. But I saw today that I could have taken two trades, and yeah, so we're gonna see them right now. Okay, as you know, I'm trying to improve my strategy, and well, I'm trying something new. um, so well, we will see what happened. First of all, we had the DXY, in which we had this break of structure here to the left, as all these days. We took the run equity on H4. We had this previous weekly low here that I said yesterday that probably would take today or maybe this week probably, and well, we took it today. So run equity on H4 taken here, and of course this one that it's the breakup structure, but it's a run equity on H4 too. And then we had the movement to the downside, and now it's starting the reversion. So yeah, a little bit late because I saw that we had some trading opportunities today. I have to see the pips. Okay, because we took this previous weekly high that is not marked up by the indicator, but it is a previous weekly high. And then we had this one here. We had revenue liquidity in H1 here marked up after taking the previous daily high. I have this one here to look for reversals, but we didn't reach this level, and then it continued going up. This previous daily low, now it's H42. So on M5 we didn't reach the ATR level, but the pips, I'm not sure if the pips were enough. I have to look at it. Maybe it's not a valid trade because I need a minimum pips and I don't know if it's 50 on EU. Okay, then GU, we took this previous weekly high this few days ago, and then we took this revenue equity H4 previous daily high, and well, we left some liquidity to the downside, revenue liquidity on H4 and previous daily low, and then we left this revenue equity on H4 up here. We would have looked for sells, but in this case it took breakout structure here, and then on M1 we didn't look for any trade because we took the high. So in this case we were looking for another breakout structure on M5, so no trades for me. USD JPY, we took the previous daily low. In this case we took the previous daily low, but we were far from the ATR and of course the daily pips. 89, I think on USD JPY it's not enough to so well, yeah, I didn't look for any trades here. I think in this case we arrived at 18 something, but if I had looked for a trade it should have been here, and it's 68, which is not really a lot of pips for USD JPY, and we are far from the ATR, so that it marks a little bit my limits. USD CHF, more or less the same. We are far from the ATR, so I'm not sure if this trade is correct. I have to review my notes. So well, we took this previous weekly low, leaving this rolling within H1, but I'm on H4. But here we had the breakup structure to the upside, and here we had it to the downside. That's why we had previous daily high rolling within H4. Then we had this rolling within H1 here from taking the previous daily low and to look for any continuation, but we never reached this level. And then it continued going down, taking this rolling within H4. Which I'm not sure because we are far from the ATR and the daily pips are 38, so I don't think this trade is correct. And as you can see, we took it, the price came here, the target is 1 to 3 more or less, and well, then stop loss. So yeah, I'm not sure these are proper trades. So I looked at it right now fast, and well, I just didn't think about it. And now, well, on USD-CAD, we finally took this. No, okay. So we keep in the same range. I can't trade anything because we are still between previous weekly low and round liquidity H4. So I had this previous daily high to look for continuations to the downside. I think we'll take this previous weekly low tomorrow or probably this week. Not sure too because it's just prediction, but we had this week here bouncing, this bounce here, and now this one here. So I think it's pretty obvious that we have buyer's liquidity here, and well, I didn't look for any trades. Okay, so yeah, short video, but I think it's good. I have to keep trying and testing. I have to keep studying. I'm not being able to backtest really, and I want to, but I start doing some other things, and in the end I never backtest. Well, never. I try to backtest 1, 2, 3 times per week, but I'm not having that much time. Maybe in the mornings I have to do it, but I start doing some other things and that I have to do, and in the end I I don't do it. So yeah, I don't want to make excuses. I have to do it, and that's it. Okay. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.